Hi, my name is Darian Merritt. This is my program evaluation presentation. So for the introduction, my program evaluation is about adolescents who live in a chaotic home environment. I think that there's a link between them and poor academic performance. I am an intern at Guardian Ad Litem in Duplin County, and during the past 8 months at Guardian Ad Litem, I have noticed that school-age children, in most of the cases that I receive, are struggling academically. The other cases that I receive, the children aren't in school, so I can't speak for them. So I decided to look a little deeper during my research from last semester and my research from this semester, and I realized that this was the same for other cases that I was not involved in. After speaking with other guardians, I came to realize that their children were also struggling academically. So one thing I'd like to point out before we dive deeper into the presentation is what a guardian is versus what a mentor is. I'm going to be talking a little bit about mentoring. So a guardian is only required to see the child in their case once every 3 months. And a guardian's main focus is the safety of the environment and the well-being of the child. A guardian will look out for the child's best interest regarding their situation and take note of their wishes, assuming the child's old enough to make wishes. A mentor will do the same, but it's a little bit more in-depth and a little bit more detailed. Mentors meet with children at least once a week, and they're more involved in their personal, social aspects of their lives. And children can talk to mentors about absolutely anything, which they can guardians too. Mentors just have a more intimate relationship. So literature review. Building the home environment is the first step. From my literature review, that's what I have found in order to fix the chaotic situation. But that's also a long-term goal when dealing with a chaotic environment, and that's something that a mentor or a guardian cannot simply do on their own. So a shorter, faster fix in the meantime would be mentoring. A mentor can help relieve the stress of a child, give them a break. Parents can start participating in self-care techniques so that they can deal with the stress by not involving the child. So the program that I wanted to use is the Big Brother, Big Sister. They provide children facing adversity with strong and enduring, professionally supported one-to-one relationships that could change their lives forever. This is where we'll dive further into guardians versus Big Brother, Big Sister. So Guardian Ad Litem is an agency that advocates for children that have been abused and neglected in open court. These children come from chaotic home environments. You can imagine what they go through. Guardians only evaluate their clients in their environment and assess the client's wishes, best interest. The guardian doesn't really take the relationship any further. A big brother or big sister, on the other hand, isn't as limited boundary-wise. A mentor can spend hours, multiple days of the week, helping a child with homework. And essentially, a mentor can go further than a guardian, but the two can work together, which would be really awesome. And this is where family systems theory comes into play. So, just to make sure that we're all on the same page, I am a guardian, and I noticed that the kids in my cases are struggling academically, and there's more that I want to be able to do. But as a guardian, I can only do so much. So my intervention would be to be able to mentor these children but I am not a mentor. I am a guardian. So now we'll take a look at the logic model. Here we have the outcomes. Participants foster optimal cognitive, academic, and literacy development. And in order to be able to do this, they offer any kind of cognitive learning activities. Then children are pro-social behaviors to communicate and to get their needs met, meaning they speak up to their mentors. They tell them what's going on. For example, struggling in math. So the mentor will be able to listen to that child and be able to help the child in math if that's what they're struggling with and that's what they need help with. And participants manage child behaviors in a nurturing and effective manner. This meaning the mentor will meet with the child, provide that nurturing environment that they're missing from their chaotic environment, so that they have some type of safe and secure relationship, because that can build confidence, and that kind of leaks over into other areas of their lives. So my sample would be non-probability sampling of about 20 clients of guardian ad litem who are struggling academically would be chosen. The data collection would be a pre-test, post-test. The pre-test will provide current academic performance for each of the clients, such as their grades. Post-test scores will be recorded after a 10-week period. Measurement would be a weekly report from the child client's teacher to include graded assignments, so you can go back and see they were struggling with something before, are they still struggling with that at the end of the week. Then graded homework, assignments, and a weekly progress note from the teacher. Data analysis would be an independent t-test. Post-test scores for the children that were given a BIG will have higher scores than the pre-test and post-test scores of the children that were not given a BIG. Those children who have not been given a BIG will not see a change in their scores. Now, there are limitations to this evaluation. There is no Big Brother Big Sister program near Guardian ad litem in Duplin County, and I could not collect data from Guardian ad litem just for the privacy of it. But to wrap everything back up, I think that if Guardian ad litem was to partner with Big Brother Big Sister and be able to provide that mentoring, that extra secure relationship, that might build some confidence in the children. It might allow the child who is struggling academically to get the extra help that they need. They constantly have people coming in and out of their lives, DSS, Guardian ad litem. They see, some of them may see several placements, and all that takes a toll. It's stressful, it's chaotic, it's not a structured environment, and it's not always nurturing. But having a mentor would be someone that's not coming in and out potentially, because with Big Brother Big Sister they ask that you can give at least a year to a child, and in that year a lot can happen, a lot can be built, and all of that would then build up so much for the child, give the child so much strength to be able to have that one person that's stable in their lives. And that is my program evaluation.